Bluey and Bingo went camping today. Now we're going to read this book called Let's Go Camping to learn a little bit more about what camping is and what you do. Let's get started. We're going on a camping trip. We'll sleep out in nature under the sparkly stars. Would you like to come along? Grab your backpack and let's go. Will you stay in a tent or a camper? A tent is made out of cloth and is held up by poles. These are the parts: a pole, there's a window, stakes to hold it in the ground, and a flap like a door to go inside. You can build a tent in your home using a sheet propped up by couch cushions. That sounds like fun. A camper is like a very small home on wheels. It might even have a kitchen and a bathroom. Wow, that's awesome! Look inside, it looks like a little house. You'll need some camping gear to make sure you're warm, dry, and safe. These are some of the items you might need. What will you bring on your trip? Let's have a look at the items. Glasses, a hat, a pot, that's a compass. Maybe some plates, a flashlight for the nighttime. A first aid kit is a great idea. Maybe some toys, a fishing rod for fishing, hiking boots, water, of course some toilet paper. Ooh, a camera is a good idea to take some pictures. How about a whistle? Binoculars let you see faraway things when you look through them. Maybe a guitar for some songs, a sleeping bag, bug spray for the bugs, and sunscreen to keep you safe outdoors in the sun. You can camp in a forest, a desert, a field, your backyard, or even on the beach. Where would you like to camp? There are national parks all over the world. These are areas where the land is protected for the plants and animals that live there. Do you have comfy shoes on? You might walk through nature to find the perfect camping spot. This is called hiking. I wonder what we'll discover if we follow this trail. Let's see. We go walking along here and we can discover all kinds of trees and plants. Then we might come across some mountains or a lake or river where you might take a dip and a swim. We might see all kinds of cool animals along our way. It's a fun tradition for hikers to make up a trail name for themselves or to use one that other hikers suggest. What will your new name be while you're hiking? It's a lake, a perfect place to swim and cool off. Canoeing is a great way to explore the water. Hop in and help paddle. Camp in a forest, you'll see lots of different plants. Can you point to the trees, ferns, grass, and flowers? Let's look. Here are some trees that you might see while you're camping. This is a fern. Here we see some grass and then different types of flowers. These ones are yellow. If you see poison ivy, don't touch it. It will make your skin very itchy. Poison ivy has 3 leaves. You can usually tell by looking like this. Are you hungry? Dinner tastes great when it's cooked over a campfire. You can even roast marshmallows for dessert. That is so much fun. Do you know any campfire songs? Now, safety first. Campfires can be dangerous. Only adults are allowed to build them. And be sure to put the fire out with water before everyone goes to sleep. When the sun sets at night and the sky is dark, look up. Stars look brighter when you're camping because there are no other lights around. You'll see lots of stars. It's been a big day and it's time to sleep. You can snuggle into a sleeping bag to stay warm all night. You can also bring a blow-up mattress to put on the hard ground if you like to make it a bit softer. The best part of camping is being able to sleep under the stars. However, you'll hear lots of nighttime noises when you're camping, like whoo or croak. Do you know what's making all of these sounds? It might be a cricket or a mouse or a frog or an owl. Store your food in sealed containers to keep animals from making a surprise visit. Camping has been fun, but it's time to tidy up and head home. Where will you camp next? Camping is a fun family activity and a great way to get active and explore nature outside. I hope you have a great time camping and learn a lot too. Bluey and her family are on a camping trip today. Wait a second, here they come. Okay everyone, we're here. Wow, what a beautiful campsite. This is amazing. Dad, there's a swimming pool. Wow, and I see a park. Okay guys, let's get unpacked first and then we'll go explore. Okay, Bandit, can you give me a hand? What did you pack, Chili? Only the essentials, everything we need, of course. Everything we need, or the whole house. Girls, can you come help? Girls? Chili, where are the girls? Here we are! We're hiding, Dad! You didn't see us. Oh, I did not see you girls. Okay, guys, come on. Let's get everything unloaded. Wow! Dad, look at this! There's a park! We'll go check that out in a little bit. Wait a second. Wait, there's a barbecue and a fire pit, Chili. We can have a fire. Girls, we can even roast marshmallows later. You guys are gonna love that. Aw, Bandit, that sounds like so much fun. Whee! This seesaw is so much fun. Whee! Let's go check out the sandbox, Bluey. No, wait. Oh, look at this. There's a gnome. I'm gonna name you Harold. Look, Bingo, there's a slide. I'm gonna go down. Whee! And again. And again. This is so much fun. Wait a second. I'm coming, Bluey. Wow, look at this. Watch me go. Whee! Bingo, over here. Look at me. I'm on a whirly-twirly swing. Bluey, can you come push me? Thank you. No problem, Bingo. Wow, this is so much fun. Let's play in the sandbox now. Okay. Hello, Harold. How are you doing? What a lovely sandcastle you have built. Bingo, let's bury Harold in the sand. Okay, I'm coming. Hang on. Do. The sand is so squishy between my toes. I like it. Okay, Harold, lay down and we are going to give you a spa day. Where did Harold go? Wait, Harold, I will save you. Come on. Bingo, let's get him out now. Okay. There you go, Mr. Harold. Did you enjoy your spa day? Yes, I did. Thank you very much. What should we do now, Bluey? I know. Let's go swimming. Okay, let's get our suits on. There we go. Now let's go tell Mom. Mom, can we go swimming, please? I guess we could do that. Okay, yeah, let's go. We already have our swimsuits on. We are ready to go. Oh, wow, you girls really are ready. Okay, let's head over to the swimming pool. Bandit, yep, we're gonna go swimming. Okay, I'm just here starting this fire. All right, see you in a bit. Bingo, look, there's surfboards. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Bingo, you were supposed to jump. You didn't jump. Hee hee. Bingo, come on, get in. The water is so cool and refreshing. Okay. Let's get the surfboards. I think this pool is a little bit small for the surfboards. That's okay, it's so much fun. Who wants to go on a hike and do some fishing? What's fishing and what's a hike? Well, we're gonna go on a walk and then find a fishing hole to do some fishing. Sounds like fun? Yeah, Dad. Okay, let's do it. Let's get your mom. Chili, come on, we're gonna go on a hike. Oh, I was just about to relax. Well, I can relax anytime. Let's go. Let's go on a hike. Find this fishing. Oh, it sure is hot out here. I think that fishing hole was around here somewhere. Dad, we're tired. Are we there yet? Yeah, Bandit, this is a lot of walking. But it's great exercise, girls, so don't complain. Okay, Mom. But really, Bandit, are we almost there? Yep, we're almost there. Look at this place, guys. Wow, the view is amazing. Wow, Dad, look, I can see everything from up here. This looks like a great spot right here. Girls, get comfortable. Where's your mom? Mom? Wait a sec, she was right here. Mom? Mom? I'm coming slowly. Oh, wow, look at this place. This is beautiful, Bandit. It really is, right? Yes. Oh my goodness, the view is amazing. I'm just going to sit down here and relax. Time to drop a line and get fishing. Come on, girls, I'll show you how it's done. We just pull this back and throw it in and watch and wait for some fish to bite. When are we going to catch a fish, Dad? Don't you worry, we're going to catch some soon. How much longer, Dad? It's hot out here. Do you want to try, Bluey? Yeah, thanks. Me too, I want to try. Okay, Bingo, your turn in a second. Oh, wow, it is amazing out here. Wow, Dad, this is so much fun. I love fishing. Isn't it nice being outside, girls? Yeah, but time to head back. I'm getting hungry. Okay, Dad. I'm coming. Wait for me. I wonder how much longer. Wow, I didn't realize we were so far from the campsite. Shouldn't be too much longer. Now I'm going to get the grill fired up and time for some wieners. Girls, come on back over here. I want to get a picture of you by the pool. Okay. Whee! This is so much fun. Cheese! This water's so refreshing, Mom. I'm so happy we came here. Camping is the best. Wieners are almost done, girls. Everybody get to the table. Okay, Dad, we're coming. But first, we want to take a slide down our water slide. Yay! Can I go first, Bluey? Okay, sure, you can go first. Thanks. But maybe you want to go first. No, I'll go first. Okay, thanks. Wow, that was so much fun. Come on, Bluey, your turn. Whee! Oh, that was a great idea. Okay, everybody, time to eat. Wow, everything looks so great. Fresh veggies, wieners from the grill. This is great. Eating outside is the best. Eat up, girls. I've got a surprise for you after dinner. Oh, a surprise. Hurry up, Bingo. Eat. I want the surprise. I can't wait to see what it is, Dad. Okay, come on over here, girls. See the surprise. Wow. Okay, you ready to roast some marshmallows? Yes, Dad, this is awesome. Oh my goodness, I love camping so much. Can we go camping every day? Well, not every day, but it certainly is a lot of fun.